When you're ready to purchase your own remote Chrome installation, log into your Sku Grid account. Click Settings. Click Add Ons. Click Remote Chrome. Click the button to create new Remote Chrome. Choose the payment button of your choice and proceed to create your recurring subscription and payment. You have the option to create a recurring subscription through PayPal or pay with a credit card processed by Stripe. In this example, we're paying with a credit card. Fill out your payment details and proceed to process the payment. Once the payment is successfully processed, you will see an alert that says, "Thank you for your payment. Your remote Chrome will be activated within 5 minutes. Please allow time for it to be generated." After 5 minutes, click the refresh button. If it has not populated yet, give it a few more minutes and come back and click refresh again. Once your remote Chrome installation is ready, you will see a table displaying your access information. You've successfully created your remote Chrome installation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.